The 2015 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X 4x4. Photos are not available on the website just yet. It actually drives very well. Clean vehicle. I don't see any cosmetics on the body or in the interior. Got black rails right there. Cargo management system in the bed. Got just a little 4-foot bed on there. It's got rear backup sensors. So it doesn't appear that anything had been pulled or towed in this vehicle. Spray in bed liner, just your normal little scrapes and scratches. Power sliding window right there. I think that's power. Tire tread looks really good. Back seat's a non-smoker vehicle. Smells like good clean leather in there, so took very good care of it. Power driver's seat. All the stitching looks good. The piping looks good. It's not torn or worn. The embroidery is still clean. Does have a nice sunroof. $36,729 on the miles, it looks like right there. Does have navigation, AM, FM, satellite, CD. All your little switches right here. Does have heated seats, electronic 4-wheel drive, parking brake, and so on. Does have the original floor mats. That's pretty good. Alrighty. This is Ron at Beam & Dodge, 615-895-5092. Call me. Schedule your test drive on this 2015 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X.